In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add bullet points in Canva. Bullet points are perfect for making information easy to scan, whether you are outlining a presentation slide, listing features on a flyer, or organizing ideas on a social post. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so your list looks clean and professional from the start. Begin by opening your design in Canva. If you are already working on a project, great, just make sure you are on the page where you want the list to appear. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Text. This is where you add a new text box. Choose the basic text option to drop a box onto your canvas, then place it roughly where you want your list. If you already have a text box, you can use that as well. The process is the same. Now type your list. One item per line. After each item, press Enter or Return to move to the next line. Keeping each idea on its own line is important, because Canva uses those line breaks to create your bullets. Keep the wording consistent, start each line with the same type of phrase and avoid ending some items with periods and others without, so everything feels uniform and tidy. When your items are in place, highlight the text you want to format. With the text selected, go to the top toolbar and click the list icon to apply bullet points instantly. If you don't see the icon, check that your text box is actively selected. The bullets will adopt your current font and size, so your list stays on brand without extra adjustments. If you decide numbers would be clearer, maybe for a sequence or steps, click the same list icon again to switch from bullets to numbered lists. You can toggle back and forth until you find the format that communicates best. Finally, set the alignment for clean readability. In the top toolbar, click the Alignment tool and choose Left. Align. Left justified lists are the most legible and keep each bullet starting in a straight column, which helps the eye move down the page. Give your list a quick scan to make sure each line is concise and that everything lines up neatly. That's it. Thanks for watching.